No matter what type of trading you're into, day trading, scalping, or swing trading, the strategy's got you covered. It's versatile enough to work across Forex, crypto, and stocks, but it shines on the 5-minute and 15-minute time frames. I've tested this on gold, Bitcoin, and Ethereum charts, and I can confidently say it's consistently accurate. It's the secret weapon you've been searching for. All right, let's dive right in and kick things off with our first indicator called Cloud Breakout BF. First things first, open up TradingView. It doesn't matter if you're looking at Forex, crypto, or stocks, whatever works for you. Once you're in, look for the indicators option at the top of the screen. Click on that, and in the search bar, type in Cloud Breakout BF. When it pops up in the results, click on it, and boom, it'll automatically be added to your chart. So what's the deal with Cloud Breakout BF? This indicator is based on the Ikamu Cloud, a popular tool for identifying trends as well as support and resistance levels. By using Cloud Breakout BF, we can spot potential breakouts and generate signals for our trading strategy. The goal is to fine-tune the settings to give us the most accurate signals possible. To get started, let's dive into the indicator settings. Go to the input section and make sure to enable the Kijun Span A and Span B options. Once you're done there, head over to the style section and disable the 2 background color options. Lastly, make the Kijun line more visible on your chart. And that's it for the setup. Looking at the chart, you should see the Ikamoku Cloud and the Kijun line. These elements are beneficial for identifying trends. When the Kijun line is above the cloud and the price candles are above both, that's an uptrend. On the other hand, if the Kijun line is below the cloud and the price candles are below both, that signals a downtrend. And that's how we'll detect the trend for this strategy. With the trend established, the next step is figuring out the best entry and exit points for your buy and sell trades. But before we add the second indicator, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. By subscribing, you'll get access to hundreds of profitable trading strategies plus a free trading course from A to Z. All right, now we're going to use the simple buy sell indicator. To add it, head back to the indicator section, then search for simple buy sell and click on it to add it to your chart. This indicator uses the 200 MA, RSI, MACD, and parabolic SAR. It'll act as our signal generator in this strategy. To make it even more powerful, we need to adjust a few settings. First, go to the settings, and in the input section, make sure the MAA option is set to 200. This is important because the 200 MA is widely used to identify the overall trend. Then change the fast EMA length to 21 and the slow EMA length to 45. The faster EMA reacts quickly to price changes while the slower one smooths things out. These adjustments fine-tune the indicator for better signals. Next, set the RSI length to 9. The RSI measures the speed and change of price movements, and a shorter length like 9 makes it more sensitive to recent changes. This can help us spot buy and sell opportunities sooner. Leave the RSI threshold at its default value, which is typically set to indicate overbought and oversold levels. In the style section, change the buy signal color to white and set it to display as columns. This makes the buy signal stand out, so you'll know exactly when it's time to enter a trade. Do the same for the sell signal, but make it red so your sell signals are also easy to spot when it might be a good time to exit. And that's it for setting up a simple buy-sell indicator. With these tweaks, it should be more effective at generating buy and sell signals, making it a valuable tool in your strategy. Here's how to use it to enter trades for our first buy example. The simple buy-sell indicator shows a new white column, giving us a buy signal. To make this point clear on the chart, we draw a vertical line exactly where this signal appears. Next, we check the closing price of the signal candle to confirm that it's above both the Kijun line and the Ikamoku Cloud, indicating an uptrend. Here we see the price has indeed closed well above both, confirming a strong trend. With this confirmation, we confidently enter a buy trade. For our stop loss, we place it just below the recent swing low, or if it's more convenient, slightly below the Kijun line. This setup helps us limit potential losses if the trend reverses. Now for the take profit target, we'll aim for 1.5 times our risk, keeping that 1.5 to 1 risk to reward ratio for maximum profit potential. But if you want to make way more than that, Make sure to watch the entire tutorial and wait for the recommended videos somewhere before the end of the video. In our second buy example, the simple buy sell indicator gives another buy signal, once again displaying a fresh white column. We mark this point by drawing a vertical line on the chart so we know exactly where the signal happened. As before, we confirm that the closing price of the signal candle is above both the Kijun line and the Aikimoku cloud. This time the price is well above, confirming the uptrend is strong. With the trend verified, we place a buy order. For the stop loss, we set it slightly below the recent swing low, minimizing risk if the market moves against us. And just like the previous trade, our take profit target is 1.5 times the risk. This keeps the risk to reward ratio balanced in our favor, making it an ideal trade setup. Moving on to sell example 1, we see the simple buy sell indicator displaying a red column, signaling a potential sell opportunity. As usual, we mark this point on the chart with a vertical line to note the signal. Next, we verify that the closing price of the signal candle is below both the Kijun line and the Aikimoku cloud. Sure enough, the price has closed comfortably below both, confirming a strong downtrend is in play. Confident in this trend, we enter a sell trade. To manage our risk, we set the stop loss just above the recent swing high or above the Kijun line. This keeps us safe if there's an unexpected shift. Our take profit target is set to 1.5 times the risk, maintaining that same 1.5 to 1 ratio, which helps maximize potential profit while managing risk effectively. In our second sell example, the simple buy sell indicator shows another red column, giving us another clear sell signal. We draw a vertical line to mark this moment on the chart, ensuring we have a clear entry point. To confirm, we check if the closing price of the signal candle is below both the Kijun line and the Aikimoku cloud. The price has indeed closed below both, verifying the downtrend. With this trend confirmation, we place our sell order. Our stop loss goes slightly above the recent swing high, limiting any potential loss if the trade doesn't go our way. Finally, we aim for a take profit target that's 1.5 times the risk, sticking with our 1.5 to 1 risk to reward ratio for the best possible outcome. So after back testing it for weeks, herewith are our detailed results. This is a first-hand look at how this strategy holds up across different time frames and market conditions. If you're interested in even more powerful strategies, check out our recommended videos for more insights. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel for regular updates, and leave a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching and happy trading.